Hey everyone, this video is going to be a summary of the different pharmacotherapy options available for smoking cessation. In this video, we'll discuss nicotine replacement therapy, Varenicline, and Bupropion. When it comes to initial treatment, you want to start off with one of two options. So the first option is combination nicotine replacement therapy. This comes in the form of a patch as well as a gum or a lozenge. The idea behind this is that the patch provides withdrawal symptomatic relief for about 24 hours, and then the gums and the lozenges are there for any breakthrough cravings or withdrawal. Alternatively, you could start off with a Varenicline, which is a partial nicotine receptor agonist. It's kind of up to the patient which route they'd like to take. If a patient has tried one of the options but has continued to smoke, they could try to do combination nicotine replacement therapy and Varenicline together. In terms of dosing, for the Varenicline, you want to be sure to titrate it slowly to avoid any GI effects. So you'll start off with a 0.5 milligram daily dose for 3 days, and then 0.5 milligrams twice a day for 4 days, and then a 1 milligram twice daily till the end of 12 weeks. For the patch, you want to ask about their pattern of use. So if they are smoking more than 10 cigarettes per day, if they're having their first cigarette very early, you could start them off on a 21 milligram per day patch. If they're smoking less than 10 cigarettes per day, you can start with a 14 milligram per day patch. For the nicotine gum or lozenge, if their first cigarette is more than 30 minutes after waking, you could start with 2 milligrams. And then if their first cigarette is less than 30 minutes after waking, you can start with a 4 milligram dose. And this is just the guidelines for the gum and the lozenge. For the gum, you can take 1 piece an hour as needed with a max of 24 per day. For the lozenge, you could take 1 to 2 pieces every hour as needed with a max of 20 per day. Another option available is Bupropion. So this is an atypical antidepressant. It's not actually as effective as Varenicline. However, it is appropriate in certain scenarios. These include a patient who has taken it in the past and has had some success in stopping to smoke with it, as well as patients with depression. Because it is an antidepressant, this is a really good option for patients who have depression but also want to stop smoking. This could be a medication that can be considered for these patients. In terms of dosing, you want to start the medication 1 week before their target quit date. You'll start off with a 150 milligram daily dose for 3 days and then switch them over to 150 milligrams BID. An important contraindication to be aware of is that for any patients with seizure disorder or predisposition to seizures, you do not want them on this medication. In terms of availability of these options, the patch, gum, and lozenge, those can be either prescription or over the counter, and the Varenicline and Bupropion will require a prescription. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them below.